Alright, let's cut through the hype and get real. How does AI actually code your website? I mean, is it just magic? Or is there something deeper going on behind the scenes? Let's break it down, super simple. So, imagine you want a website for your new cupcake business. You hop onto an AI website builder, type in, I want a cute site with pink colors. I want a menu. I want a gallery for my cupcake photos. And boom, the AI spits out a working website in minutes. But how does that actually happen? Here's the secret. AI isn't some wizard waving a wand. It's a super smart program trained on tons of real websites and code. When you give it instructions, it doesn't just guess. It breaks down your request into pieces, like colors, layout, features, and matches them to patterns it's seen before. Let's talk about code for a second. HTML for structure, CSS for style, JavaScript for interactive stuff. AI has studied millions of lines of this code. So it knows, for example, that a menu means a navigation bar, and gallery means a grid of images. When you say, I want a gallery, the AI grabs a template for a photo grid, fills it with sample images, and tweaks the colors to match your vibe, like pink for cupcakes. It's like having a super fast intern who's read every web design book ever written. But here's where it gets really cool. AI doesn't just copy and paste. It actually understands context. So if you ask for a modern, minimalist look, it knows to use clean fonts, lots of white space, maybe a simple logo. It's learned these styles from analyzing thousands of real websites. And if you want to change something, just tell the AI, make the buttons bigger, add a contact form. The AI rewrites the code instantly, no human coder needed. Behind the scenes, this is all powered by something called machine learning. The AI models have been trained on huge data sets of websites and code, so they can predict what code will work best for your needs. Now, does this mean AI will replace all web developers? Not really. AI is amazing for quick, simple sites, but if you want something super custom or complex, you'll still need a human expert. So next time you see an AI building a website in seconds, remember, it's not magic. It's millions of hours of learning, packed into a few smart algorithms. And the best part? You don't need to know a single line of code to get started. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech explainers. See you in the next one.